Okay, I'm going to reuse my not usable drill battery. This one. So it's still heavy. I don't know if it's still alive. So let's see. There you go. Here it is. So I just have to clean it up. I have to use this on my solar lights. This one to power it much longer. It has the same battery, but it has only one battery, and I will add like 2 or 4 to make it longer. I will use 15 watts solar panel, of course, with the same connector. And also I have here with the same battery as well, but it has only 2 pieces of battery. Let's see. There you go. As you can see. So I will put this in here. Let's see if it's still usable. Okay.